Action.
Hi, this is Mansi. I'm currently a student at Geek School. This talk is based on a project that I'm doing at Geek School. Brewing JavaScript. Compiling your own domain-specific language to JavaScript. The flow of the presentation is going to be like, take a domain-specific language, parse it via parser, generate the abstract syntax tree from it, pass it to the generator, and generate the output language, which is JavaScript in this case. So for example, Lispy-Script 2 is my domain-specific language, which I pass to the parser and generate the ES tree or the ECMAScript tree, which is then passed to ES CodeGen, which generates my JavaScript code. The ES tree looks like a tree, but this is a JSON representation of the ES tree. It starts with type program, and then all the statements of the program are comprised as an array of the body attribute of this tree. So the goal for today is to convert my Lispy-Script 2 syntax into my JavaScript code. The first statement in my Lispy-Script 2 language is function square parameter a multiplication of a by a. This syntax is Lisp-like, and in Lisp-like syntax, the last state expression evaluated in a function body is returned as a return value. The tree representation of this code would look somewhat like this. Type function declaration, id square, which is the function name, params identifier a. The defaults will hold any default values for the parameters, and then the body of the function is inside a block statement. But since in our declaration we just had one statement, so we just have the return statement, which is a binary expression, which is a multiplication of the left and right parameters. Next. So the output for this statement 1 in JavaScript would look something like this. Function square a, return a into a. Thank you.